I've got a sausage egg muffin here. And it has sausage and egg on it. Just gonna set that right there so we can see it. I also went by the Dollar Tree and found a Jimmy Dean sausage muffin. And it has cheese, but no egg. You can see the size comparison is just about the same. So I'm going to scoop these up here a little bit, and then I'm going to take a look at using English muffins from Aldi and the frozen sausage patties, also from Aldi. You get 18 in these. These are maple flavored. It's our favorite kind. We'll add some eggs, and then we'll also add some cheese. So before I assemble our homemade ones, we'll have to tell you that I do put these in the toaster oven for about 10 minutes. That way it gets the ice crystals off of it, and I can kind of pat it down and get a little bit of excess grease off of it. Because what will happen if you don't, when you put these together and you put them in the refrigerator for the week, that those ice crystals will melt into the cheese and it kind of becomes a gooey little bit of a mess. So I'm going to start by just putting a sausage patty on each one. I'm going to put an egg on each one. And I'm going to put cheese just on one. My husband does not like cheese on his, so I'm going to put cheese on just one for me. When I finish with that, I'm going to take some wax paper and some tape, and I'm going to wrap these up. Just like this. Pull that end up and tape it down. And I don't think you need to see me wrap all of these to get the idea. If you have different taste in the house, just like we do, my husband wants no cheese and I want cheese on mine, I'll just mark on the front of it which one has cheese and no cheese. And so now we've got our homemade ones. If you go to McDonald's, it's going to cost you, without any cheese, it's going to cost you $3.49. If you go to the Dollar Tree, this will cost you $1.25, but there's no egg. If you make these at home, your cost is going to be 90 cents. Some other restaurants may have them a little bit cheaper. I got a coupon from Hardee's and it made it $2.69, but that's still far more than the 90 cents to make your own. And as you can see from the length of this video, it takes absolutely no time to put these together. I have in the past put together one for me and one for my husband for each day of the week, and then I put them in a Ziploc bag, and he can either warm it up at home or he can take it to work and put it in the microwave and get all of them in here. Just put them in the refrigerator. Everybody knows where they are. If you want to be cheap about this, you could go with the Jimmy Dean from Dollar Tree. If you pick up 5 of those, one for each day of the week, it'll cost you about $6.25. That's pretty cheap for 5 breakfasts. So if you don't have time, you know, this is a nice cheap option. If you've got 10 minutes to spare and you can fry up the eggs and put these together and wrap them, then you'll also have for the week.